You see these videos from people like constructing and doing construction in their house, and they have like no mess anywhere, and now that's not us.
That's not us. I don't know how it happens, but mess keeps like
Surrounding us.
it's moving us.
Yeah. We really try, but yeah, it's just
so
not
this
us.
kitchen is a hellhole. It was already bad, but I
Yeah.
think we made it worse.
I don't think so. It already feels more fresh.
I mean, this,
It's beautiful.
of course, this red paint just arrived as well. And my mother said that probably all of this was red and the entire hallway was all green. So this house has been like completely insane before.
Yeah.
We hope to have a new kitchen arriving in 2 months. We did not have any budget to get someone to install it, so we're gonna do that ourselves.
Yeah.
What could possibly
And
go wrong?
And we decided to start with one wall because at first we wanted to have like a kitchen on both sides, but
we
have
can't
to
afford that.
So we're gonna start at this and make all the functional features over here.
So we will have a functional kitchen with no storage.
Yeah. So we almost ordered our new kitchen, and someone has to plaster all these walls because the kitchen is a mess right now. And before we're gonna do that, I have to remove the tiles, and in 2 days it's already moving day, so we have to be fast, and we don't want the dust coming off the wall during the moving or even after the moving when all our stuff is in the house. So I'm gonna start removing the tiles. Did 75 pull-ups this morning. It's quite hard for my arms, and I only did this part. Got a new technique. I first remove all the tiles, and then all the plaster will come off at once. It takes me a lot of time. So now I'm gonna do it layer by layer and then move the plaster. Boring.
Oh man. Okay, we're very sad. Sad, frustrated, angry, and depressed because where this tiling would just fall off like butter, this every time you hit 10 times and you have a sliver of a tile, somehow this is very differently attached.
There's tiles beneath here.
Right, this is another layer of tile. And we have been, I mean, you've been working on it for...
Stop it.
For 3 hours? For
2.
No, 3 I think
Okay.
inmiddels. And I also really feel really bad about the neighbors.
Yeah, I think we have to stop.
Because it's very loud.
Part was very dusty.
Yeah.
So I think it's good that we took that off.
Yeah. But we created another little problem. You can kind of hear. Yeah, so Lou has been going at it so violently that this entire thing is now
Whoa,
bent.
look at this.
Oh!
Hidden
someone
in
lost
the wall.
their drill. So many crazy things happened here. Oh,
And you might think, don't they have tools for that? They do,
they do,
but not us.
but they cost money. This was cheap,
As you can see,
as you can see.
it's just a piece of wood, piece of steel.
Okay, so we're doing some research on the internet. If we can maybe second hand
GBH.
buy an electrical appliance to do this work for us, because otherwise we'll
To work together with us.
us in the machine. What's our position?
GBH.
She keeps saying GBH to me. I have no idea what she's talking about. But you found a second-hand store in our old street.
Yeah.
That has one.
Yeah, well, and if that one doesn't have it, we need to drive to the other side of Amsterdam. But
The same second-hand store.
yeah,
But they close early.
yeah, they're already closed.
They're closed.
And it's 8:30, 6:30, so everything is just closed. We'll have to, and they will open up at 10 tomorrow morning.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, I think it's the same. It's too late to order anything.
Okay. Then we have to get home. I have to do my tax return.
Important.
And I'm hungry. Are you happy with today's progress?
I'm happy with the other part of the house.
The one that you didn't work on?
I did.
What do you mean with the other part?
With the living room and the bedroom.
Yeah.
I'm happy that we can live it in, and I really believe that we pulled off the most dusty part already.
Yeah, and then we put all the dust on the floor and left it there.
Yeah, so we have to clean that. And then we can go home. But you are already hangry, or not? Yeah.
Not yet.
We need to go home.
Are you scared?
Yes.
We need to go home.
Yes, we need to go home now. And start prepping food.
I will just leave this
Yeah.
mess. maybe you can tell them what happened.
Yeah, well, we came to a hard stop yesterday when we tried to pull off the lower part of the wall. So we decided that we need
A power tool.
additional tooling.
A power tool, but to rent it would have been 40 euros.
And then you get this huge thing, and we thought maybe that's a little bit too much.
So we did a lot of research.
My power, together with a slightly less powerful electrical tool,
Your power?
would
Show them your power,
No.
babe. So instead of renting an expensive one, we bought
second-hand.
a power tool, a bore hammer. And
Used one time.
Yeah, exactly.
And it has a
So
chisel
we went
function.
onto a Marktplaats, which roughly translates to marketplace. Okay, we're gonna use the tool. Power tool. Power tool.
Looks like this.
Looks powerful. Yeah, we did a lot of research, like there are klopboor, boorhammer, breekhammer.
Can you do it?
The finer things in life. What's this little thing here?
It's a yellow.
It's a yellow dot. What's the yellow dot? It should like lift it or lift it.
Can't believe that this is the hardest
Push
part.
it. Push it.
You have to use the hammer
We need
to open it.
We need a tool for the tool.
Some lime.
Oh my god! I nearly lost an eye.
No, you didn't.
Almost.
Alrighty.
Great success. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. What happened, babe?
It's stuck.
But like stuck or stuck? Stuck.
Got it.
Okay, removing the electricity. Feels good. The camera is so dusty now.
It's also my glasses. Can't see anything.
Okay, let's go. I'm gonna demolish this thing. And this already looks, oh, it's the grossest thing ever. Oh my god. I think I need the ladder for this.
Okay.
The spiders are like, what the fuck?
My house!
Really? Okay, so just a nail actually. I can't really reach it. Okay, this is the grossest thing I've ever seen. Oh god. I'm making this worse now.
Yeah.